Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Pablo Martin Sarmiento, better known by his screen name Babalo, was a beloved Filipino comedian and actor. Renowned for his sharp wit and distinctive physical appearance, particularly his long chin, which often became a subject of on-screen humor. His stage name Babalo was a playful reference to his baba, Filipino for chin, which was a defining feature of his identity in the world of comedy. The term babalo also has a Filipino gay connotation which added a layer of cultural humor to his persona, often self-deprecatingly acknowledged in his performances. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Si Babalo ay pinanganak at lumaki sa Sampaloc, Maynila noong June 29, 1942 kung saan siya ay tumira sa tahanan ng kanyang lola kasama ang kanyang ina, isang kapatid na babae at 3 kapatid na lalaki. Sa kabila ng kanyang maagang mga hamon sa buhay, sumikat siya sa industriya ng entertainment. For several years and until his death, he was living with his longtime partner who eventually became his wife prior to his death, with whom he had a child. Si Babalo ay itinuturing na isa sa pinakadakila at pinakamamahal na komedyante sa Pilipinas. Siya ay pamangkin ng kilalang aktor na si Panchito Alba na may mahalagang papel din sa kanyang maagang karera. Ang talento ni Babalo sa comedic ay unang natuklasan ni Dolphy, ang King of Philippine Comedy, na kinilala ang kanyang potensyal at binigyan siya ng pagkakataong ipakita ang kanyang katatawanan. Ito ay humantong sa kanyang paglabas sa sikat na comedy variety show na Buhay Artista, kung saan nagsimula siyang gumawa ng pangalan para sa kanyang sarili. Throughout his career, Babalo has become a household name, appearing in various television shows and films. He gained significant fame for his roles in Home Along the Riles and Okidoki Doc, dalawa sa pinakasikat na programa sa telebisyon sa komedya sa Pilipinas. His impeccable timing and unique sense of humor have earned him a loyal fan base na nagdulot sa kanya ng pagkilala bilang isa sa mga pinakadakilang Pilipinong komedyante sa kanyang panahon. Noong 2003, ang kanyang kwento ng buhay ay itinatampok sa sikat na palabas sa telebisyon na Maalaala Mo Kaya sa isang episode na pinamagatang Imahe ng Birhen, na lalong nagpapatibay sa kanyang legacy bilang isang pangunahing tauhan sa Philippine entertainment. Babalo passed away on August 27, 1998. But his contributions to Filipino comedy and television lives on. He is remembered for his infectious laughter, charming personality, and ability to find humor in the most unexpected places. His impact on Philippine comedy continues to resonate, making him an iconic figure whose name is synonymous with humor, heart, and beloved Filipino entertainment. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Muhammad Ali, if my mind can conceive it, if my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Guki Glitters and LG. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, https://en.wikipedia.org, photo credits to https://mydramalist.com, and inspirational quote credits to https or www.goodhousekeeping.com.